The 72nd Republic Day in Jowai was celebrated at Drisalane Playground with great enthusiasm following the guidelines and protocols issued by the government. Home Minister Sri Lakshman Rumbui unfurled the national flag and took the Rashtriya salute to the tune of the national anthem led by the local band and later addressed the gathering. There was a tableau presentation from various departments of the district projecting the schemes and achievements with 12 tableaus displayed altogether. Health and Wellness Centre HWC awards were given over to distinguished personalities. For the Best Performance Health and Wellness Nurse, the award goes to Ms. Lapanshai Karshandon of Sanaro SC HWC. The Fit Health Worker Doctor was awarded to Dr. R.H. Bharbhuya of Barato PHC HWC. The Fit Health Worker Nurse was awarded to Ms. Eugenia M. Kongdet of Darang SC HWC, Ms. Isabetlin Karbi of Kanduli SC HWC, and Ms. Joyfulness Thongni of Satsama SC HWC. The Fit Health Worker Lab Technician was awarded to Ms. Anita Chen of Shangpung PHC HWC. The Best Health and Wellness Centre was awarded to Chitwaku Health and Wellness Centre. Top Performing Hospital based on overall utilization was awarded to Pedeng Shakhap PHC. Other highlights of the day include songs and dances. The Republic Day was also celebrated at Hima Shangpung at Hula Playground, Museum Shangpung. Sri Saleng A. Sangma, MLA of Gambegre West Garo Hills, hoisted the national flag.
Yang lang ini Yorake Yaka Republik di kawan nyawa tenaga yang yonga negara sarkar ekhup lega ia ginong chong chong waro haga digasni man gasni kos nyau sarong wada yoy o sanchar lamba ke constitution kawa dayo hagani gasmi tan kemogi siaburome yakinong ile lain doi kiang i kamtam kiwem hapo ka state kiang i kamu wa kiang nong ba Tirasing sen patokan sangma wakiwitawan ek humleyo yagi spy yang geri kamjo yagi pulit yang state waro harus semajar alfau ka state yang i dem ngai chong suk chong sai Light tang nagajing korban da kini kejut COVID. Kastet kasorka de percangga oban ra ia gajing sup untuk dopo kastet kamjule hagiliang kikaput waro yang mang kikaput yang interstate lene kikaput yang ke international border. Ini negara state tanpa wajib sanggup yagi nongkre yang ketnak kekoi kekia kewaya khmat haji le percha ia kejut COVID kan